And in the following, I can proudly present you the new feature and the new upgrade of the eDrill Maxi Plus. This machine is equipped with an A-drill. The A-drill is a drill that you may know from our cultivator range or from our disc harrow range, the Qualidisc range. There, exactly, this A-drill is also available. This is an A-drill 200. There's also an A-drill 500. But for the eDrill Maxi, we are offering only the eDrill 200. And why do we do that? In order to increase our flexibility to applying various kinds of seeds or mixtures, that is getting more and more important for the farmers. That was a demand to have a third kind of seeds or to apply slug pellets, for example, or grass together with barley, for example, just to increase the flexibility of the flexible eDrill Maxi. So on top of that, we have here the A-drill. The A-drill is connected to the cultivar frame that we are able to disconnect it and connect it again with the power rail. So a solo operation without the cultivar and the A-drill is still possible. Compared to the coulter, where we are applying the mediums that are stored in the eDrill hopper, the medium we want to apply with the A-drill is applied on top of the surface behind the CX2 cultivar. Here, directly linked to the leveling bar, the seed hoses of the A-drill are connected, and by leveling or by using the leveling bar, we level and cover the seeds or the slug pellets or the medium we want to apply with the A-drill. The A-drill is always driven electrically compared to the dosing unit and the fan drive of the eDrill Maxi, which is driven hydraulically. To save some oil fuel, we are working here with an electrical drive. The amount, kilogram per minute, is about 4 kilograms per minute is the amount we can apply with this model. That means calculating with 3 meter working width and 10 kilometer forward speed, we are able to apply about 80 kilograms per hectare. And as you could see before, the positioning of the hoses directly to the leveling bar, we are able to apply our mediums in different horizons. The medium we apply with the A-drill is always on top. By changing the working depth of the CX2 coulter, we have a various of our feeding depth. Depending on the type of seeds we want to apply, like intercrops, like Phacelia, mustard, or kind of rape. Therefore, we offer 2 different kinds of rotors. One rotor for the smaller seeds and one rotor for the bigger seeds. Similar to the rotors we are offering for the elders, the principle is here the same. By turning off the screws and this module here, we can change the rotor and are so prepared for a different kind of seed. Important to know, for the electric driven metering device, we need as well here a speed signal, and therefore this machine is equipped with a second radar sensor. You could see that we have one radar sensor for the dosing unit for the seed drill and one additional for the integrated seed drill, the A-drill. For a precise seed application, we also have to do a calibration test here. Therefore, we have this additional tool that is always delivered together with the machine. We can do all settings. As I said, we have to change the rotor and we have to change the flap here. to increase or reduce the amount of medium we want to apply per hectare. Therefore, we have this tool here. We can change the rotor here, and we can do the calibration test here by turning the screws. I change the plate and use the same plate to fill the collection bag to start the calibration and to be prepared for our third medium. Now we can start the calibration test by pushing a button, and then we can start the seeding process. Now we are at the end of our session, and I hope you enjoyed the training. And in case of any further questions or open points to clarify, please contact your local dealer or visit our homepage. Thank you for listening.
When farming means business,